Adjusting inventories for financial statements. The inventory value for the financial statements of ABC Co. for the year ended 31 December 20X7 was based on an inventory count on 9 January 2028, which gave a total inventory value $209,050. Between 31 December and 9 January 20X8, the following transactions took place. Purchases of goods, $2,150. Sales of goods, profit margin 25% on sales, $3,500. Goods returned by ABC Co. to supplier, $175. What adjusted figure should be included in the financial statements for inventories at 31 December 20X7? Answer: inventory count value, $209,050, less purchases, $2,150, add sales, $3,500, times 75 over 100, $2,625. Add goods returned, $175. Inventory figure, $9,700.